Don't worry.
Sure. He is beautiful.
Pragtig.
He's looking for the hyenas.
Ja.
Definitely, hè?
Ek begryp
It looks
ons.
like his paw is hurt. Is he hurt? Hy loop snaaks, het jy gesien?
He's smelling for the hyenas.
Ja, ja.
Sure. It looks funny, the white color.
As an immediate response.
Yes. Because
Well,
they
like
know
one
that the
boy.
hyenas are not always good for them. Yeah.
Beautiful.
If there's hyenas, which means there's food or something.
Ja.
And
Okay.
Speel hom nou op.
He's
Nee,
smelling.
nee, wag maar eers 'n bietjie. Dis kleintjies aan die kant.
Sal lekker wees as hy verby lê.
Wel, daai boude is seker omtrent jou heuphoogte, hè? Dis pragtig.
Moet jy weet.
You can see they're definitely not comfortable with hyena
Yeah,
surrounding.
yeah.
Because they are enemies.
Yeah. So but now they see us like a one unit together
Yeah.
with this car.
Do you really think
Yes,
so?
For
yes.